Did you say good morning to your mom today?
Yeah, I said good morning my mom today. I yesterday said hi my friend.
To your friends. Okay, good.
Yeah, I always say please and thank you.
Thank you, very good. Did you say good night yesterday to your dad?
Yeah, I said good night yesterday my dad.
To dad. Okay, very good.
I rode motorbike in past.
Great. Tell me about it. Where did you ride motorbike?
I rode in Thailand
Mhm.
with my mama and dad.
Mm-hmm.
It was not scary. I like to ride a motorbike myself. I can learn it in special school.
And driving school, yeah?
Krasnoyarsk is not good place for riding a motorbike. We have not good roads for motorbikes. Yeah, it's because of holes on the road.
Holes on the road. Okay, so good. Right. If you bought a motorbike, what motorbike would you buy? What color would it be?
It would be black.
Would it be big and fast motorbike, or would it be like little and slow?
It would be little and fast. I don't watch motorbike racing. People can ride motorbike in summer.
In summer, yeah. Only in summer.
I would like to ride a motorbike in other city.
In other city, okay. In other city or in other country?
Maybe in other country.
In other country, okay.